Councillor Ghazanfar Khaliq from Bradford. He is a long-standing campaigner on the Kashmir issue as well, and he's been a councillor in Bradford to the best of my memory over 20 years. So Councillor Ghazanfar Khaliq, he's also a former Lord Mayor as well. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately I'm not feeling very well today. I'm slightly out of temperature. But I think we've been listening to speeches that were made in English. Let me start by saying that I remember the very day actually when Bhat was hanged. And I remember actually that I had seen the biggest demonstration in London on that day. I have never seen the Kashmiris and people from other people protesting against that brutal killing of a shaheed. But also I'm saddened because I have been a politician for almost 35-40 odd years. I have been elected member in Bradford Council for almost more or less 30 odd years. Unfortunately, every year, every occasion, what we have is a lip services from professional politicians. The reality is that all three political parties of this country have the same stated policies, which is favours India rather than favouring the Kashmiri or other people. Let's be clear about this, that we put too much emphasis on our friends, that hoping that they will achieve freedom for us. My friends, let's not kid ourselves. The only freedom will come if we Kashmiri themselves struggles to achieve that freedom. No one else will give you freedom. No one else will give you freedom on a plate and say, this is the freedom you take it. Because you have powerful enemies. Don't forget about India. Don't forget about Pakistan. You got powerful lobbies. And those lobbies will never give you freedom. But my colleagues here, they talk about democracies. They talk about freedom. In this country, the parties do not have a democracy. What I used to refer it to is controlled democracies. Now I've changed that view and I refer it to that it's a more or less moving towards the semi-dictatorship, political parties even in this country. Let's not kid ourselves. Let's start fight now. Let's believe in our own strength. Let's take the struggle in our own hands. We acknowledge the support we receive from our friends. But what we need is all three political parties changing the policies and making sure that their Kashmir policy becomes one of their main policies in the next general election. Thank you very much.
Thank you. A very strong message from Councillor Ghazanfar Khaliq that more has to be done in the